Good evening. Can you please tell us about, you are from Andhra University, na?
Yes, sir. I'm from Andhra University, sir.
What is the degree you are doing?
BTech degree, sir.
I have been telling you people repeatedly when you say BTech, you must tell which subject also.
BTech in Electronics and Communications.
Very good. Excellent. Dharani, this is your second mock interview with me,
Yes, sir.
and your real interview is going to be on which date?
7th May, sir.
Good. How confident are you about your success?
So I'm quite confident now, sir. So I've been following you as well. So I think I'm confident in answering the questions, sir.
Good. Please tell me about yourself, Dharani.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. First of all, thank you so much for this opportunity. My name is Tarni Padmanabham, and I'm from Andhra University College of Engineering for Women, currently pursuing my BTech degree there in Electronics and Communication Engineering. I have an aggregate percentage of 89.2. I live in Vishakhapatnam, sir. One thing I love about Vishakhapatnam is its beaches because they're beautiful and serene. I've completed my 10th and 12th in Vishakhapatnam as well, and I've secured a percentage of 94 in my 10th and 93.8 percentage in my 12th. And coming to my family, we are a family of four. My father's name is Padmanabham Sesibhushan Garu, and is currently a government employee. He's working for the Indian Railways. My mother, Padmanabham Renuka Garu, is a housewife. I have an elder sister. Her name is Kirtana Padmanabham. She recently graduated from Andhra University as well and is currently working as a graduate engineer trainee in Technip Energies, Noida. So, coming to my hobbies, I really like reading books. Engaging with them not only brings me peace of mind, but also nurtures my imaginative skills. I also believe that this is the primary factor which has contributed to my strong communication skills. And coming to my strengths, I'm a very good team player, sir. I love to interact with people of all ages. I've also worked as a school captain, overseeing the management of nearly 300 students. I also believe that I'm a very good orator. I'm good with my presentation as well as my speeches, and I've secured numerous awards in my schooling as well as my college years. A recent highlight would be I won a first prize on my presentation on avionics. I know three languages, sir: Telugu, English, and Hindi. Telugu is my mother tongue, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. Which type of books do you read?
So I like to read every genre, sir. Uh, Basically, I love reading science fiction too. I quite enjoy both romantic novels and period genre novels.
English or Telugu?
English, sir. I mostly prefer English.
Okay, good. Who are your favorite authors?
So Sudhamurthy Garu is my favorite author, sir. Her type of writing is very close to my heart. I always feel like some my relative or my grandmother is narrating the story, so I quite enjoy her reading her books. And coming to English authors, I really enjoy reading Ali Hazelwood books, sir, because she combines both romance with science related concepts, so which I'm very interested in, sir.
Can you name five public sector banks?
So five public sector banks, yes sir: SBI, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Punjab National Bank, and I couldn't recall another banks.
Why, there are totally 12 na?
Well, yes sir.
Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Canara Bank, Central Bank, Indian Bank, Indian
Yes,
Overseas Bank, Punjab
overseas
and
bank.
Sind Bank, Punjab National Bank, State Bank of India, UCO Bank, Union Bank of India.
Yes, sir.
Can you repeat now at least seven public sector banks?
Yes sir. State Bank of India, Public National Bank, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Union Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, and Central Bank of India.
No, after telling SBI, minute you said some. in National Bank and all, that is not required.
Okay, sir.
When I wanted you to tell the names of public sector banks, you started with State Bank of India. You said State Bank of India, National Bank, something like that you said, which is not required.
Punjab National Bank.
Acha, acha. You wanted to
Yes.
tell Punjab National Bank.
Punjab National. Yes.
You omitted Punjab and told National Bank. Please see the recording.
Yes, sir. Okay,
Now,
sir.
can you name at least 5 private sector banks?
Sir, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Federal Bank is one of the example, and Kotak Mahindra Bank is a famous bank, and Axis Bank is also one of the famous.
Good. Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank and South Indian Bank, Dhanalakshmi Bank, Catholic Syrian Bank.
Yes.
Because this Catholic Syrian Bank, Dhanalakshmi Bank, and South Indian Bank, they have got headquarters in Thrissur, Kerala.
Okay, sir.
Because our federal bank is coming from Kerala,
Okay.
we must know that. Can you expand BSBDA? Have you heard of this? Basic Savings
Yes.
Bank Deposit Account. Have you heard about it?
No, sir.
Why? Basic Savings Bank Deposit Account is an account which is used under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana in order to achieve financial inclusion. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I think you have not studied all those things. Perhaps we have not discussed that. Doesn't matter. What is NPCI?
NPCI is a national portal, sir, which is nothing but National Payments Corporation of India. So it generally is authorized to see all the internet banking services. So
Everything,
it has
everything okay. Unnecessarily, you used the word nothing but. Why did you use that word nothing but?
oh, yes.
This is how we get ourselves caught in the interviews. We should try to avoid extra words. Okay?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Yes.
Yeah. What is your family?
My father, we are a family of 4, sir. My father is a government employee, sir.
Oh, this answer is not complete.
My
Government
father is a
employee.
government. He works for the Indian Railways, sir.
You should tell like that. Last time also you did the same mistake.
Yes, sir. My father works for Indian Railways, sir, and my mother is a housewife, and I have an elder sister.
In fact, you can
She,
even tell my father is working as station superintendent in so and so station of Indian Railways. Your answer should be full and specific.
yes, sir.
Can you tell me how banks are earning income?
So banks earn income through the deposit. I mean, like when customers deposit money through accounts, uh, bank give them some interest for the customers, and when they give loans for the customers, they receive income through the interest which the people are paying, sir.
Hmm. No, I didn't watch clearly. Can you tell me what are the sources of income for the bank? One,
Through interest from
on
loans, sir.
very good. Second,
That is the primary, and through the products also, sir, like their like by establishing new features like mutual funds and etc., by
sorry,
stocks.
sorry, your answer is not correct. One, by virtue of interest on in interest on loans. Number two,
Yes.
para banking commission charges like bank assurance and mutual fund charges. Then a
Yes.
rent on locker and other in commission earned like say NEFT, RTGS, then DD issued commission, guarantee issued commission. Apart from this, banks invest in government securities. From there, they get extra interest on
Yes.
those investments. Now, I have told this many times. Huh?
Yes.
Now, why should I select you for this post?
So I feel that I'm very good at my communication skills, sir. I also try to understand what the main role which I'm providing with. I also interact with people and make them understand what the job is, like what my job is. I'll try to also advertise the new products of the bank, and I also make them understand what really is happening in our banks.
Now, can you tell me what do you know about RBI?
Yes, sir. RBI is the Reserve Bank of India. It was established in the year 1934, April 1st, in Kolkata. Later on, its headquarters is moved to Mumbai in 1937. So RBI is the current governor of RBI is Mr. Shakti Kanta Das. It also has four deputy governors, and according to the Act of RBI, it can have a panel of 21 directors as well, and it is the bankers of banks and bankers of the government. Also, uh, the main work of RBA is it it has a note issuing authority, foreign exchange control, as well as monetary policy authority.
Good.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by money laundering?
So money laundering is a illegal activity where the person who the an individual transfers his money to another account and spends from the other accounts, sir.
Not that way. Money laundering is the method of generating an impression that the money which has been collected from drug trafficking criminal activity is from legal source. That is, money earned is through illegal means, but it is routed through banking channel to prove as if it is a genuine money. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. What is the expansion of CRR?
CRR stands for cash reserve ratio, sir.
SLR,
Uh, I I cannot hear you, sir.
SLR,
I can't recall it, sir.
statutory liquidity ratio. Have you not heard about it?
Actually, I heard about it, sir, but I couldn't recall it, sir.
In the question paper material, I have added these questions also. This information also today. Are you aware of that?
I didn't see it, sir. I will.
Just a minute. I will show you.
Yes.
This is the material I have added today.
Yes.
Today I have added in that material about RBI governor, deputy governors, MD and CEO, then other details and all I have added. You please read
Yes.
them subsequently. Apart from
Yes.
that, I have given today one material about so many questions and answers given by one of the candidates, Nandini and Jatin. They gave
Yes.
this. To an extent possible, you please try to read them and
Yes.
understand. Okay? That will be
Yes.
better. Good. Which bank are you having an account?
I have my account in SBI, sir, State Bank of India.
Good. Who is the chairman of State Bank of India?
Yes, sir. Mr. Dinesh Kumar is the chairman of SBI.
Dinesh Kumar Kharra.
Correct. Okay, sir.
Good. Where is the headquarters of the State Bank of India?
Yes, sir. There's headquarters of SBI is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, sir.
Good. Can you expand NABARD?
Uh, I couldn't recall it, sir.
Why? National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, headquarters in Mumbai. They are the people who are supervising the working of regional or rural banks. There are
Yes.
totally 43 RRBs in our country. Okay,
Yes. Okay. Yes.
very good. Then, what is para banking?
Uh, what I know about parabanking is that it generally banks offers subsidiaries, sir. So
No, no, no. Subsidiary means subsidiary organizations. Para banking means banks performing activities other than lending and receiving deposits. That is, providing locker, then canvassing for insurance policies, mutual fund products, and doing wealth management advisory services.
yes,
Correct?
yes.
What is cloud computing?
So cloud computing is a technology which generally has the information which is uh, the information is so a cloud is something is an application where the information is stored in it, sir. So from that cloud computing we can enable many things. For example, in my during my project we use this cloud computing for the applications in embedded systems and IoT, sir. We used a Blink software, which is a cloud computing software. So we use this and applied in the concepts where so physical touch is not needed for that, sir. So Bluetooth services are.
No, no. Okay, what you said is not wrong, but please read. You are a computer science student. You must tell clearly. Please read cloud computing.
Electronics and communications.
Ocha, you are ECE. Acha.
Yes, sir.
Then it even then you can know it. Please read cloud computing
Sure, sir.
on the screen. Are you seeing?
Yes, sir. It is a difference between commercial. I couldn't.
Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage, cloud storage, and computing power without direct active management by the user. Large clouds often have functions distributed over multiple locations, each of which is a data center. Okay, I'm just giving
Yes.
the link in our Telegram WhatsApp group.
Yes.
Good. What are your strengths?
So my strengths include I interact with people. I'm good. I'm a very good team player, sir. I can interact with people, and I also am very strong at giving my interviews and speeches, sir. I'm quite
Have you
confident in
have,
what I'm talking.
have you ever succeeded in any of the company interviews recently?
So I had one interview, but I couldn't make it, sir.
Doesn't matter. Now, please tell me the name of 5 union ministers.
So yes, sir. The first would be Ministry of Home Affairs, Mr. Amit Shah. Then the Minister of Defense, Mr. Rajnath Singh. The Minister of Finance, Mrs. Nirmala Sitaraman. The Minister of Women and Child Development, Mrs. Smriti Irani. And the Minister of External Affairs, Mr. Jaishankar Subramanian.
Good. Very good.
Yes.
Good, good. So, what are the changes that have happened in Vizag in the last 10 years? Because you may not remember 10 years.
Yes, sir. They actually Vizag has developed as a great place to work, sir. It has many IT companies has established over the past decade. Uh, some of the changes is the environmental factors, sir. I feel like in the past it used to be a little humid, sir. Since it is a uh, uh, beach city. It used to be humid, but right now it is very hot in here. And uh, economically, and it has won the cleanest city as well. It is one of the cleanest city too. It has the largest port, and it doesn't. Yes, sir, these are the things.
Yeah, good. Now, Andhra Pradesh ministers, can you, of course, now there is going to be election, so we need not bother about it. Tell me the name of Andhra governor.
So the governor of Andhra Pradesh is Mr. Said Said Abdul Said Abdul.
No, no, you are not remembering correctly.
Yes, sir. I couldn't recall perfect. Abdul Nazir. Yes, sir.
No, Abdul Nazir,
Nazir. Yes.
correct. A governor is appointed for how many years?
Around 5 years.
Around, it is normally for 5 years.
Yes,
He'll be holding the office for normally for a period of 5 years.
5 years. Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Tell me what all you know about Federal Bank, not history.
Yes, sir. Federal Bank, the current MD and CEO of Federal Bank is Mr. Shakti Kanta Das, and it has a and the two executive directors are Mrs. Shalini Warrior and Mr. Harsh Dugar. So, Federal Bank has been working. Federal Bank is known for its hassle-free technology for establishing NRI accounts, and also additionally, it also has been working on neobanking for the past decade to narrow the digital gap in deeper geographies of India. And coming to the financials of Federal Bank, the recent FY24 quarter four, in the recent press meet, they mentioned that the net profit of Federal Bank has been is 906 crores, and it has an operating profit of 1,110 crores, and
Uh,
with a GNP of
for the quarter. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah,
For the quarter.
and with a,
But
for the quarter.
I think you don't have to tell that operating profit. Tell
Okay, okay.
the quarterly net profit and annual net profit.
Okay, sir.
Annual net profit, how much?
6 lakhs 92,000 crores.
What are you telling? I'm asking profit. You are telling crore. 3,000 some crores. 3,273 crore or so. You are not remembering it, correct?
Yes, sir. I couldn't recall it.
Doesn't matter. So when you get tens, do you know, you will not be able to tell.
Yes, sir.
A customer is coming to withdraw rupees 1,000 rupees, but he has 10 crores in his bank accounts. How will you sell bank services to him?
Uh, yes, sir. First, I would like to interact with him. I'll get to know what for what purpose he has come for our bank, and then after knowing his details, I'll uh, firstly explain what are the services and products which are provided by our bank, and then I'll persuade him and I will tell him to invest this money for a good purpose. I'll also tell him to invest in mutual funds, and after few time period, he can get a lot of gain from our bank. I'll try to make him understand the recent stats of a company and what profit the company and as well as the customers have gained from our company. I'll also make him understand. Uh, I'll also make him understand how he can invest this money, and what will be
What is IPO? What is
IPO.
IPO? Initial public offering. You don't know all this.
No, sir.
What is the present inflation rate
The
roughly?
present inflation rate is 4.85, sir.
Good. Expand the GDP.
So, gross domestic product,
Expand NEFT.
NEFT.
National
I could,
Electronic Fund Transfer.
Yes.
Expand RTGS.
Yes, sir. RTGS stands for real-time gross settlements.
Good, very good. Now, when did you join our group, Kiran Mai?
Dharani, sir.
Sorry,
I
Dharani.
joined. Yes, sir. I joined around like March 12th. Sorry,
But after
April.
that,
April.
for
Yes.
majority days, you were out of touch with us. Am I
Yes, sir.
right?
I couldn't. Yes, sir. I couldn't join the classes.
Why? All your
Uh,
father is not well or any such thing? No.
no, sir. We are in final year of BTech, sir, so we are quite
Everybody,
busy in our project.
everybody is in final year only.
Yes.
Nobody is
Yes.
in the first year. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes.
some only are able to do it. Like the recent two successes, our what is her name, Nandini and Jatin. See how much interest they took and they continue to participate every day, mostly.
Yes,
Anyhow,
sir. Yes.
doesn't matter. You at least watch the videos of the classes conducted earlier. There will be at least in every class, there will be at least 2 or 3 questions. Or
Yes.
today I have shared about new materials. You also go through and prepare yourself well. Best wishes.
Yes.
Please,
Yes.
your interview is on 7th. Na?
Yes, sir. Seventh.
Please attend with confidence and
Yes.
send the questions they are asking.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Immediately after the interview is over, sit down, jot down all the questions, and then present it as Nandini and Jatin did.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sure. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You did well, but somewhere, sometimes